Hello guys, so today I will show you a platform that is going to help you if you want to have a self-hosted help desk for your web app or your SaaS or whatever. So here is their website. By the way, this video is not sponsored by them. I've used their platform in the past and I find it pretty useful for a small support team that doesn't want to offer live chat. So let me show you how the demo looks like. As you can see, here you have the tickets. This is from the admin interface. You can also have templates. You can add a knowledge base if you want to, and also you can have different categories for people that are sending you a message. And so let me show you so if you go to submit a ticket, you have these categories. You also have some reports. They are not they don't have a lot of details, but just an overview. But I think that's pretty good for a small team. You can also filter by user if you want to, and also by a data range. I think these modules are not free. I think they are paid. You can also change the email templates if you want to send a custom email instead of the default one for different actions. And you also have the settings for I use the Amazon Simple Email Service to send this email. So you just configure the SMTP server info here and it's good to go. You have more configs here. Anyway, let's go back to tickets. Here you can select auto reload page if you want to answer to your customers as soon as possible. You can do some action in bulk from here with the selected items, or you can go to a ticket and respond. A cool thing about this is you can add notes that are hidden from the customers and you can talk with your team like this. Also, the time worked is counted here automatically, so you know how much time you spent doing support and maybe decide if you need to hire someone to do it instead of you. Here you can delete some tickets and do other things, and here you can see the history of the person creating this ticket. So let me show you the template. Here you can also add some custom fields if you want to. Let's view a ticket. We need the tracking ID. This is for the person that created the ticket, so they get the tracking ID on their email after creating the ticket, so they can view it and they can add a reply or also mark this as resolved. You have some branding here, and if you want to remove it, I think you have to buy a license. Yes, they have money back guarantee. Anyway, they offer a free version with some branding. I think this is a good trade because even some paid tools offer this, and the good thing about this is you are going to host it, so you don't have to worry about your data being leaked if you are good at self-hosting things. Okay, so that's about it for now. I think this is a good tool if you don't have any money to pay or you don't want to pay a monthly fee for this. I recommend it to anyone that needs a simple help desk. Again, this is not sponsored by them. I just use it on 2 of my projects and I find it very useful. So I thought you might find it useful too. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to leave a comment down below. Have a great day. Bye bye.